Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the license and connectivity. Sign into the exact Microsoft account tied to your Office purchase. Mismatched accounts are the most common cause. Once done, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and temporarily disable third-party firewalls that may block activation. Open PowerPoint and navigate to File Account to view product information. This tells you whether Office recognizes a license. If it shows an activation error, note the error code so you can use it in the next steps. Next, run Repair and Activation Utilities to force a refresh. Open Control Panel, choose Programs, find Microsoft Office and select Repair. This fixes corrupted activation files. After repair, run the built-in activation troubleshooter, settings update and security activation, or use the slmgr command if you have volume licensing. Sign out of Office entirely, then sign back in with the correct account to re-establish credentials. Restart PowerPoint so changes take effect. Finally, clear legacy keys and update to eliminate lingering conflicts. Open an elevated command prompt and run OSP. VBS/D status to list installed keys, then use OSP. VBS/unk XXXXX to remove old keys. This prevents key clashes. Make sure Office is fully updated and reboot your computer so services restart cleanly. If activation still fails, capture the exact error code and contact Microsoft Support for targeted help. One troubleshooting tip: try activating on another network or device to rule out local network blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.